put it in the description. I'm sorry about that. If you see this, it records only 10 minutes. No, I do not want to buy the new one. I mean the official one. But if you guys know a gaming company, please put it in the description. I'm gonna have to edit this film into the other one. Um, but guys, thank you for watching, and as soon as my computer gets fixed, you're gonna be getting animations, um, bunch of new Minecraft videos, be getting a Minecraft server soon, um, uh, silence, Minecraft Let's Play coming up right after this video, um, possibly will be right after this video. I will have, oh, well, I'll be right back. Okay, but this is it. Play games, computer, like I really like that computer. Student offer. You can actually, I think, work for Alienware. Um, Desktops. The cheapest one I believe they have is around like the 500. I searched this website before like a couple weeks ago. Um, I'll be back. I'm gonna pause it and resume. I'm gonna go get me something. No, you don't really wanna know. Okay, I'm back, and I come back, and I see an Xbox controller on Steam. I mean, this. Phone ring again. Be right back. All right, I'm back. These are the game laptops. I actually want this blue one. Um, it won't show none of the gaming laptops, but I guess this will be it. This will be in the description anywhere. Do not know why I did that. The list will be in the description and everything. If you guys would like to leave a comment stating what you want to see on how to. I know it's kind of was sucky because I like had kept pausing it, redoing, pause, resume, whatever. If you want to add me on Skype, it'll be in the description. But my computer's gone, like is dead, flatline. Um, we then you can just send me it. I got it on my Vita, and if I find my phone, I'll be doing vlogs, well, Vita reviews and games and stuff. So, just gonna go to YouTube. Oh, YouTube. That's like new YouTube. So everybody search that up, YouTube. And it's funny how it goes to YouTube. Um, but I'm just going here so I don't have to go here after I'm done doing this. The video. That looks really cool. But that's it, guys. Um, Shadow Life is I don't know. I'm thinking about changing my YouTube name. But peace and yeah.